Hey, this is Thomas. I'm going to show you a 1985 300 turbo diesel. Today, I'm going to do a very quick walk around. I like to keep these kind of short because they don't upload correctly. It's a very clean car, very well taken care of. The paint's good, as you can see. Granted, wear and tear for 1985. This is a daily driver. This is not excuse my camera. This is not a show car. Interior is immaculate. Sunroof works, everything works, except the power antenna does not work this time. And all this little stuff can be fixed. I'm gonna just take it for a quick ride. I'm not gonna go long. I'm already at pushing 2.5 minutes. That I can't email the video after a certain amount of time if people want to see. Oh, there is a dash mat, but there's no cracks whatsoever. This is just to prevent. I don't know if you can see with the sun hitting it. The dash is perfect. There's nothing here at all. It's just a protected, actually more of a dust protector than anything. Roughly has 160 original miles on it. 678-416-2070. Again, that's 678-416-2070. My name is Thomas. Give me a call with any questions. 1985 300D. Many pictures on the ad. Oh, brand new tires. There's a lot to go over. If you want to give me a call, thank you.